Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to recover TextNow number. Firstly, open the TextNow app or go to the TextNow website and log in with your account. TextNow numbers may get reassigned if they get unused for a period, after a few days or weeks of inactivity. If you're unable to log into your account but don't see the older number, it's likely been recycled and reassigned into a new user. If your number has been reassigned or you can't log in, just all you have to do is contact TextNow support team. Provide them with account details like the email address associated with your account and the TextNow number you're trying to recover. Support might be able to offer assistance or guide you on whether it's possible to reclaim your phone number. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.